Hey guys, it's Ken Tam. Welcome back to our channel. Today you're going to see how we changed old carpets to luxury vinyl.
I'm changing all the carpet in the rooms. The rooms carpet.
Guys, these carpets were old and musty, so you know we had to come and take them out and work our K and Tam magic for our client. They were just moving into the space and wanted new floors for the 3 bedrooms on the main floor.
So the floor has been prepped for installation tomorrow. Likewise here, the floor has been prepped. And here as well.
So we helped our client choose the best flooring for the space, preferably one that would match the hallway as close as possible.
We're done with the flooring. Baseboard is pulled back.
We love this flooring not just because of the seamless installation, but also because of the warmth and cozy vibe it brings into the rooms. And this is really important because winter is fast approaching. With the flooring all done, all that's left to do now is to dispose the old carpets. The cheese. Now we're taking a well-deserved break at Tim Hortons, having a nice drink and some snacks. Thank you so much for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed the transformation as much as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share our videos with everyone. Turn on your post notifications so you know every time we post. And don't forget, we do all things home and property improvement. And guys, if you didn't know, we sell beautiful home decor items, so lovely prints and lovely wallpaper. So purchase now on our website. We will see you next time with a new video. Bye.